A call to action, or CTA. It's the heartbeat of your webpage. It tells visitors exactly what to do next, whether that's signing up, making a purchase, or downloading a resource. So what makes a CTA effective? First, it starts with clear, actionable language. Phrases like, get started, download now, or join our community remove uncertainty and guide users with confidence. Next is design and placement. Your CTA should stand out visually, using contrast and spacing that draw the eye while still fitting your brand. Placement matters too. CTAs work best when they appear above the fold and are repeated naturally at key moments throughout your content. A strong CTA also answers one critical question: what's in it for them? Whether it's a free trial, exclusive access, or valuable information, urgency can further boost results. Limited time offers or low availability messaging encourage faster decisions. Social proof adds another layer of trust. Testimonials, reviews, or user stats can reassure visitors that others have taken action and benefited from it.